Hey guys, it's Mimi here and welcome to Geeklightful. It's Christmas time and of course I had to make myself some more Christmas decor because we actually moved a month ago and now I have more space, so I have to fill it in with some cute stuff. I thought I'd bring you guys with me through the process and show you guys how to make some so you can also have some of those super yummy fake food decor. So first of all, as you might have guessed, I'm going to show you guys how to make this super yummy life-size Yule log, which was really a nice tradition when I was younger. We used to have these and my mom would make some really cute decor on it. I wanted to keep it simple for this one, but usually there's like fake snow, little forest animals, and trees. And I thought this year I wanted to have something that reminded me of some past happy Christmas memories, since this year is going to be a bit different. So this is going to be the first video of a 3-part series about DIY fake food Christmas decor. So have fun and here we go! First, you will need some sort of cardboard cylinder. I bought this box at the dollar store and it was absolutely perfect for this project. I'll just go ahead and cut up the cover and we will keep it for later. Using the inside of the cover, cut off a half circle at the bottom to insert it on top of the log. Then you will need some memory foam or a sponge. Use your cylinder to trace and cut out a nice piece of cake using some fabric scissors if you have some. Test out your shape a few times to make sure it still fits in your log. Then trace a nice little swirl on your cake and cut off the swirl with an Exactoknife and some scissors, making a nice indent where we will pour some fake frosting. Using some golden yellow, paint the outside of the cake and the inside of the swirl. Followed by some rusted orange paint to give it a nice baked color. Do the same for the top piece of the cake. Then rip off the glossy paper on the box because first, it's oddly satisfying to do, and second, well, it will make it a lot easier to spread the fake frosting since it adheres better on a rough surface. Then you will want to glue some sticks on the bottom to prevent your log from rolling around. Glue your nice memory foam cakes inside both logs, the main one and then the little branch one. Now you can glue the top branch with a generous amount of hot glue. I also added a little piece of cardboard on the side to fill the gap and sealed it with a good amount of glue. For the next part, you will need something you just might have handy these days, a face mask. No, but for real, Spackling has a few health precautions you need to follow, so make sure you read and respect them all. So you will need lightweight spackling and a good amount of chocolate colored paint. And I mean a lot of paint, like a pretty crazy amount as you can see. You do want a chocolate color, but you're starting with white, so all you'll end up with is a very light brown even if you use a whole lot of paint like I did, but it does look super yummy anyway, so that's the goal, isn't it? So I like to let it sit for around 12 to 24 hours before using it, so it's less runny and it keeps its shape better. Now to pipe the frosting, I used a Ziploc bag inside a tall glass. And remember to only cut off the end once you're ready to frost. Fill in the swirls with the fake frosting. Then using a popsicle stick, spread the frosting to make it look like the cake was cut this way. And of course, don't forget the top branch. For the chocolate decorations, mix green and translucent polymer clay and flatten it between 2 popsicle sticks for an even thickness. Then spread plastic wrap on top and using a cookie cutter, cut off the shape that you want. The plastic wrap makes the edges rounded. Now using your fingers, smooth out the edges. Then for the berries, mix red and translucent polymer clay. Roll tiny balls. Cover them with translucent liquid Sculpey and dip them in fine glitter. Make your decorations following the instructions on the label. For the fancy chocolate look, I used metallic gold paint and then splattered it around with a toothbrush, rubbing the bristles with my finger. Since my hands were determined to hide the actual painting, here is a little progression of the paint splottings. Once the paint is dry, add a nice layer of glaze. Now you should put your mask back on and just have fun spreading your fake frosting all over your cake. Spoiler alert, if you want to avoid some cracking later on, try putting on a thin layer, since the more spackling there is, the more chances is that it will crack. You can make a rounded motion on one end of the cake to make it look like a real log. Finish it all off with your fancy cute decorations. I decided to put some more decorations on the other side of my log. This way it looks cute all around. As you can see, after 24 hours of drying, some little cracks did appear where there was a little too much spackling. So for once, I used the spackling as it is meant to be used, to fill up some cracks. Then, using the same old wood varnish, coat your frosting and decorations with a generous layer of glaze. There you go, now you have your own fake life-size Yule log home decor. So thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I'm really happy that I finally made a new tutorial for you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions about the process or the materials, feel free to ask me the questions in the comment section or even on my Instagram page at Geeklightful. I would love to help you in your projects. Oh, I wanted to tell you guys about this really awesome YouTuber which made me discover this whole fake frosting spackling method, and her channel name is The Pink Tree, and I'll put her links in the description box because she has a lot of really nice projects that you might want to do if you like making this one. So have the most wonderful day and God bless you. Bye!